Hello guys, in 2022 I passed out as an engineer in Shrivenkateswara Engineering College, and that I got placed, but I didn't get a joining letter. So later I decided to join JSpiders, and these all trainers are will train a very simple way. They provide a lot of opportunities to get a good company. And this they teach us like Java, SQL, web technology. So in this they are conducted every weekend. I'll conduct mock interviews and booming classes will be there for only purpose to boost our skills. And web technology was thought by Subramaniam sir. Sir explained overall basics and from scratch they will explain. We have to know everything about technology. In only 1 week we had to create a web page, and SQL was taught by Navya ma'am, and it is very helpful to know such a knowledge from her. Thank you for everyone for helping me out throughout the in my way in JSpiders. And finally I got placed in Cognizant with 4 LPA. So thanks to everyone throughout me helping throughout in my way and JSpiders.